The sea always shows us the way. Everything is ready.
I will draw a big whale.
The signal is strong. We should follow the old way. We have modern tools.
The sea is so big.
This compass is special. Machines are better. We know where we are.
We must listen to the sea.
Look, Grandpa.
Beautiful, Lily. We move forward.
I draw slowly. The whale can glow.
You have a strong heart. Focus on the trip. Something is changing.
A storm is coming.
I feel scared.
Hold steady!
Trust the sea.
No, it stopped.
It is too strong.
We must survive! Stay together!
I am here, Lily. Everything will be okay.
Grandpa, I am scared.
I will not give up.
What is that light?
It is calling us.
It is beautiful.
Hold on! Stay together!
I am here.
Where are we?
Huh?
We are safe.
This place is bright. The sand is glowing.
We must be careful.
The compass feels alive.
Look there.
Yes, let us go.
Oh no. No signal.
Stay close. Do not fear.
Aw, it is beautiful. It is warm.
This place is special.
I do not trust this place.
I want to see more.
Stay near me.
Oh,
She is guided. What is this?
an old place. It is like my drawing.
It is the same shape.
I do not understand this.
It is alive.
Be careful!
It will not hurt us.
It feels kind.
Still nothing.
We are not lost.
What is that? I will follow it.
Lily! Wait!
She is safe.
I follow you.
We must go now. Yes, we follow her.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Lily is too far. We will find her.
It is warm.
Lily, move back! Do not touch it!
It is huge.
Stay behind me! Do not panic! Run now! Stay together! Keep running! Do not stop!
Keep moving.
It is behind us.
Hurry! 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 Keep up!
Keep moving! Do not look back.
It is quiet.
These symbols are old.
It is still outside.
We can make a trap. Show me.
I understand now.
Follow carefully.
I can help too.
Pull harder. I go up.
Come here! Come here!
Now.
Something is missing. I can fix it.
It worked. You did well. It is peaceful now. The danger is gone.
The water is glowing.
It is showing the way.
It feels warm.
The compass knows this place.
Maybe this is enough.
Stay close.
I see something ahead.
This place is incredible.
People built these long ago.
Everything is beautiful.
Hold this side. Pull the rope tighter.
I can help too.
The boat is stronger now. Strong knots save lives.
The whales protect us.
You were right. We both learned.
Technology helps us move fast, but tradition helps us find the way home.
Never forget the old ways.
I will remember.
We go home now.
The compass knows the path.
I am ready.
Push harder! It is moving.
The light is beautiful.
It will guide us home.
Home is waiting for us. The boat feels alive.
Something is under the water. The whales are here. Woo! Ah! They guided us.
Just like your drawing.
We are home.
The harbor looks beautiful.
It always was.
We made it home. Together.